every action has a consequence. Everything we do will impact the world. How? This depends on our choices. The materials we decide to use, the way we treat them, the care we dedicate to the process. Something that will give you the confidence to exceed your expectations. Maybe also your imagination. It's a matter of choices, and choices are easy if you have clear in mind what matters. More care means more robust skis with a longer lifetime. Skis that will stay with you for way more than a couple of seasons. A spark of passion gives you more energy, more power and more acceleration right when you need it. Meticulous reasoning becomes sharp control. It becomes an instrument that responds not only to how you move, but to how you think. It's a fast world, the one we live in. We rush through our lives longing for special moments. Moments that count, that make you feel alive. That's why we do what we do. Because you can trust one fact. We know that every moment counts.